Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable PIN on Signal. If Signal keeps asking for your PIN, here's some good news. On your versions, you can actually disable it completely. So let me show you how. So first, you need to open Signal on your device. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, once you do that, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you have a lot of options. Now, make sure you tap on Account. Now, under Account, scroll down and tap on Advanced PIN Settings. This is where the hidden option is. So now you'll see the option Disable PIN. So tap on that. And Signal will ask you to confirm the action. So tap on Disable PIN to confirm. And now it's disabled. So once confirmed, your PIN will be completely removed from your account. So no more PIN reminders, registration log prompts, or random PIN requests. After disabling your PIN, your profile and settings won't be protected by a PIN anymore. And if you reinstall Signal, some data may not be recoverable. So only disable it if you're okay with less account protection. So just a quick recap, what you can do is to open Signal app. And next you need to go to your profile at the top left. And next you need to click on settings. Then once you're on settings, you need to tap on account. And after that, just select disable pin settings and disable it. And that's it. Your Signal pin is now fully disabled. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.